Assalamualaikum and hi, welcome back to my channel again. Salam Ramadan, selamat berpuasa to all of you guys out there. And as I promised, here is my hijab tutorial video. Okay lah, I know I took such a very long time to produce this video, but alhamdulillah, here it is. And just keep on watching.
You and I were like fire and ice now, face to face and I'm all jealous as wow. You have changed my whole world in an instant, made me love all the parts that I didn't. And I wanted to tell you that I may look away, but don't get me wrong,
Okay. Now we are done. We are super done. And then the scarf terbentuk smart. Siap. Okay, belakang dia yang this side, dia macam terjuntai tau. Nampak ke tidak? Oh, okay, dia macam terjuntai. See, okay, dia terjuntai. So, I suka dia terjuntai macam tu. Tapi Putri dia tak suka. Sebab masa aku pakai tudung ni, dia macam Yasmin, apa yang terjuntai kat belakang tu? So, kita boleh masukkan dekat sini. So, kita ada lagi juntaian. Dia satu terjuntai yang macam mana aku nak buat ni? Yang ni je. So, that's it.
used to be so far